Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back into my kitchen. Let me ask you a question. Are you trying to eat a little healthier or lose a few pounds, watch what you eat, but you still crave some of the things that you used to eat, like pizza? Well, I got one for you today. Today we're going to be making pizza, but we're going to be using this. This is Lavash bread. Now, this is by Jospeh's. This is a flatbread made with flaxseed, wheat, and bran wheat. It's really, really good, and it's very, very good for making pizzas. And guess what? It's only 120 calories for the whole sheet, or just 60 calories for a half a sheet, which is a serving size. Also, it's only 12 grams of carbs for the whole sheet, but just 6 for a half sheet. So depending on your appetite, you could really be having a pretty low fat, low calorie, low carb, guilty pleasure, if you will. Let me show you how it's done. It's not going to be long. All right, so here's our bread, and you can see it's really thin. So this is a thin crust pizza. And this sheet, or this flatbread, is 8 by 13, so it's a really nice size. So if you cut that in half, you know it's similar size to those Totino's pizzas that you get, those real cheap ones you find in the store. Or you can, like I said, keep it whole. But the first thing we have to do, we have to put a little oil on it, and we're gonna pre-bake it in order to get it a little crispy. You don't wanna put the toppings on first, otherwise your pizza will come out soggy. So all you wanna do is just give it a little spray with some olive oil spray. You could add in some Italian seasoning or whatever at this point as well, if you wanted to. And then you wanna go into a 425-degree oven for about 3 to 4 minutes, depending, until the flatbread begins to get a little guys. So we just got our flatbread out of the oven. You can see now how it's crisped up, and that's what you want. So you can have that nice thin crust pizza. So we're just gonna go ahead and go with some sauce. Now I love a heavy sauce, light cheese pizza. Make it how you want to. So we're gonna go ahead and go with our sauce. All right, so we got it all sauced up. Now we're gonna go on with the cheese. Again, I like a light cheese. If I tell people how I like the cheese on my pizza, I tell them just enough cheese to hold the toppings on. If I could get a pizza to make sure that all the toppings would stay without cheese, period, then I would do that. But unfortunately, you can't. All right, so now the toppings. Okay, for the toppings, I got some sausage here, bell pepper, onion, and bacon. So that's what we're going to use, and let me go ahead and just get it topped up. Okay, so we have our toppings on, then you just want to go with just a little bit more. Now, you guys will probably go with a heck of a whole lot more. But again, this is to help kind of keep the toppings on. But if you like a ton of cheese, then by all means, make it how you like. All right, so now that we have it all set, we're gonna go right back into that 425-degree oven until the cheese is nice and melted, and then I'll show you the end result. All right, guys, here's the finished product. Now again, if you like your pizza super cheesy, by all means, I know mine may look a little different, but the point is this crust is gonna be on point. I'm gonna show you just. All right, so again, here's our pizza. I'm gonna go ahead and move it out of this pan, that way I can cut it into squares. Quite natural, you gotta cut that in squares. And I'm gonna let you get a load of the crunch. Again, only 120 calories per 8 by 13 flatbread. That's great. Man. I don't know if you heard that, but it's doing what it needs to do. Now, quite naturally, the whole thing ain't gonna be cracker crust once you put your toppings on, but you're still gonna get that pizza crust that you need from pizza. It's gonna do everything it needs to do. So good. So you guys don't have to miss out on the things that you love, even when you're trying to eat healthy. Give this one a try. Again, this is Lavash bread by Jospeh's. I get this from Walmart. About $5 for 4 flatbreads. or you can just use them for whatever else, but it works great on pizza. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Until the next time, God bless you all. See you around. Got my red pepper.